this is the blending video for y, what's traditionally referred to as the Y sound. Y is sometimes a little bit challenging to isolate because we need to kind of stick our lips forward. So when you're trying to get students to form this y sound, if I turn into profile, you can see here, y, our lips kind of push forward a little bit when we are forming it. It's kind of represented in the picture on the flashcard here. And the same thing occurs in the other sound taught in book 6 in j. Again, our lips push forward a little bit. J. So in terms of formation, that is one of the challenging things. But apart from that, it's relatively simple and easy for students to replicate from the sound, even if the face is a little bit challenging at times, the parted teeth and the lips sticking forward. In terms of its blending, it's fairly straightforward. We can transition smoothly into vowels. So ya, yo, ya, ye, ye.